Health benefits of vitamin D for children. Benefits. It helps your kids to get enough calcium and phosphate that makes their bones stronger. If you feel that giving milk alone can suffice the requirement, you are absolutely wrong. There are generally two types of vitamin D, vitamin D2 and vitamin D3. D2 is also known as ergocalciferol and is generally produced by plants. D3 is also known as cholecalciferol. It is produced naturally by our human body when our body gets exposed to sun rays. Both D2 and D3 are essential for the body to build stronger and healthy bones, especially for your kids. Generally, you may feel that playing outside in the sun for some time and drinking milk will help your kids in getting enough vitamin D, but this is not true. Vitamin D helps body to absorb minerals like calcium and helps in building strong bones and teeth. Vitamin D acts as a hormone and helps in regulating the immune system and the cell growth. It helps your kids to stay away from rickets, which is a bone disease that leads to bone fractures and deformity. California Gold Nutrition Baby Vitamin D3 Drops Review. Description: Liquid vitamin D3 for babies. Alcohol-free. Dietary supplement. Suggested use. Basic guidelines from the American Academy of Pediatrics and the Institute of Medicine for vitamin D supplementation for babies. If breastfeeding or partially breastfeeding your baby, give your baby 10 mcg, 400 IU, of liquid vitamin D a day, starting in the first few days after birth. Continue giving your baby 10 mcg, 400 IU, of vitamin D until you wean your baby and he or she is drinking 32 ounces, approximately 1 liter, a day of vitamin D fortified formula or, after age 12 months, whole cow's milk. If breastfeeding or partially breastfeeding your baby, give your baby 10 mcg, 400 IU of liquid vitamin D a day starting in the first few days after birth. Continue giving your baby 10 mcg, 400 IU of vitamin D until you wean your baby and he or she is drinking 32 ounces, approximately 1 liter a day of vitamin D fortified formula or, after age 12 months, whole cow's milk. Suggested use for infants through 12 months of age: 1 drop daily added to formula, milk, juice or other foods. Shake well before using. Other ingredients: fractionated coconut oil, medium chain triglycerides from coconut. Contains coconut. Warnings: do not exceed 1 drop per day unless directed by your healthcare professional. Keep out of the reach of children. Store in a cool, dry place. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.